guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel for another video. So I'm excited to be sharing with you this unit that was sent to me from Beauty Forever on Amazon. They sent me this 12-inch 150% Brazilian lace closure 4x4 wig. So if you're interested to see how I got to this end point, then just keep watching. So here is the parting space. I think it looks pretty good, but I am gonna go through and hot comb the top just so it will lay a little bit flatter. And yes, I said hot comb. I finally upgraded my life and got a hot comb, and I have my wax stick here that I'm gonna use. I don't have to worry about burning myself with my curling ones anymore. If you saw my last hair video and people kept asking me did I burn my forehead, like, y'all are so rude. If I have a burn mark on my forehead, then yes, obviously I burned my forehead. So I have this Care wax stick here. And I purchased this and this hot comb at Walmart. So the hair on this wig was pretty stringy when I got it. So it was 12 inches, but it was like the bottom layer was 12 inches just for the length and the rest was choppy kind of. So I attempted to cut it all off into like a blunt bob. I did the best I could. It could have definitely been better, but I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just a girl that does her hair on YouTube. So I've definitely done worse before, so I'm kind of satisfied with it. I think that this short hair definitely makes me look grown. Like, most of the time I definitely do not look like my 27 years, but with this hair I definitely do. I feel like my head looks extremely wide because I have some chunky twists on under this wig. I don't know how to braid, probably will never know how to braid, so I just make it work with what I can do. So this could definitely lay a little flatter if I did have that talent. I am really liking this wig though. I think that the density is pretty natural. This is 150. The hair is soft, good quality. I did wash it and all of that. I'm gonna take my Got To Be glue spray. This is what I pretty much always use. I'm gonna go back through with the hot comb because I'm trying to make sure that this wig is like laid. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so make sure that you click the red subscribe button down below so that you can continue to see my pretty face in upcoming videos. Like this video, comment down below, let me know what I should try next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.